How to hang a clock on a brick wall. Looking to make your space more stylish and practical? Hanging a clock on a brick wall can be tricky, but with the right approach, it's simple. Learn how to create a strong and secure installation with this easy step-by-step guide. Let's get started. To begin, gather the essentials: a masonry drill bit, power drill, anchors, screws, level, pencil or chalk, measuring tape, safety goggles, and a dust mask. These tools will ensure a smooth and effective process from start to finish. Pick a spot where the clock is visible and well lit. Ensure the area complements surrounding decor, and avoid weak or crumbling brick or mortar. Mark the spot for drilling using a pencil or chalk for precision. For larger clocks, consider multiple anchor points for support. Before drilling, clean the wall to remove dirt or debris. Use a level to create a straight guide and double-check your measurements. This ensures the clock hangs evenly and looks professional. Proper preparation is key for a hassle-free installation. Use a masonry drill bit and drill into the brick, never the mortar, with steady pressure. Clear dust from the holes with a vacuum before placing anchors. Insert and secure them properly, tapping gently with a hammer if needed. For sleeve anchors, tighten the nut to make it secure. Attach the mounting hardware, then carefully hang the clock. Check alignment with a level and make adjustments if needed. Test the clock's stability with a gentle pull. Once secure, admire your newly adorned wall. Now that your clock is stylishly mounted, enjoy the refreshed look it brings to your home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY tips. Show off your handiwork and inspire others to elevate their spaces with creative decor ideas.